Hello friends, welcome to Priyagram English. We have learned parts of speech in which we have learned adverb. Have you watched previous video on adverb? If you have not watched, do watch because today we are going to learn kinds of adverbs in which first kind which we are going to learn, that is adverbs of manner. If you watch previous video on adverb, then you will understand better because this video is related to previous video also. But before starting today's topic, adverbs of manner, let's revise what is meant by adverb. An adverb is a word which describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. But this adverb is used in what ways, or we have to learn their usages in sentences. So let's get started with kinds of adverb, that is adverbs of manner. Let's learn kinds of adverbs in which first kind is adverbs of manner. Now what is meant by adverbs of manner? Adverbs of manner describes how something happens or it happens in what manner. Means adverb of manner describes us how it happens or in what manner. Means when we ask the question to a verb, how we get the answer, adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner are usually placed after the main verb or after the object because we ask the question to the verb, so it always placed after the verb or sometimes it comes after the object. Adverbs of manner mainly modify verbs and tell us the way in which something happens. It always describes verb and in what way it happens tells adverbs of manner. Now adverbs formed by simply adding ly to corresponding adjectives. Means some adjectives are there where when we add ly to those adjectives, we get adverbs of manner. For example, quickly, slowly, politely, commonly, mainly, beautifully, softly, clearly. Now you can see that here quick, slow, polite, common, main, beautiful, soft, clear, all these are adjectives. And when we add ly to these adjectives, we get adverbs of manner because it describes how the things happens. Some adverbs are formed from adjectives replacing y for e. Now let's see some examples in this regard. See now, probable, probably, terrible, terribly, sensible, sensibly, simple, simply. Now you can see that in these words, see the first word, probable. Now in this word, you see that this word ends with E. But while writing adverbs of manner, this E will be omitted and in this place Y will come. So the adverb of manner is probably. In the same way, terrible, E is omitted and in that place Y comes, so terribly. Sensible, sensibly. Simple, simply. Then some adverbs are formed by replacing I for Y and add ly. Now see the words happy, happily, angry, angrily, easy, easily. Now in these words happy, you can see that in the place of Y means we have to remove Y and in that place we have to write I and add ly. So adverb of manner is happily. In the same way, angry, Y is omitted and in that place, I will come and we will add ly, that is angrily. In the same way, the word easy, easily. So, all these words are which we have learned quickly, slowly, politely, etc. Then probably, terribly, simply, sensibly, then happily, angrily, easily. All these words are adverbs of manner. Now, here are some adverbs of manner which are formed by ALLY le which end with ic. Means the words which ends with ic, we have to add a double ly. Then those words are called adverbs of manner. For example, basic, basically, grammatic, grammatically, periodic, periodically, scientific, scientifically, systematic, systematically. These words means, see the first word basic. In this word you can see that last words are IC, last letters are IC. So in this place you have to add ALLY, that means basically. In the same way, grammatic, you can see the word ending letters IC. So here we added ALLY, LE. Periodic, again last letters are IC and we add ALLY. So when we add ALLY, we get adverbs of manner. That is basically, grammatically, periodically, scientifically, systematically. But here the word public, you see the word public. In this word also last letters are IC. But here we don't add ALLY, but the adverb of manner is publicly. Means here we have to just add only ly. So this is the exception. Public, publicly, this word is exception for above words. Now here are some adverbs of manner which do not change. Means fast is an adjective and fast is an adverb. Straight, straight. Hard, hard. These words do not change. Means we cannot say that fastly, straightly, hardly, like this. So fast, straight and hard, these words are also adverbs of manner. Now, let's learn adverbs of manner through some sentences. Here is the first sentence. He swims well. Now, you can understand that in this sentence, well is an adverb of manner because here the word swims is a verb. Means when we ask the question to a verb, how does he swim? We get the answer well. So, well is an adverb of manner. Means it explains in what manner and then we get the answer well. See the second example. He ran quickly. In this sentence also, quickly is a adverb of manner because ran is a verb, and when we ask the question, how did he run? We get the answer quickly. It means that it modifies the verb run. So quickly is an adverb of manner. Now see the next example. She spoke softly. In this example, softly is adverb of manner because here also spoke is a verb, and when we ask the question how did she speak, we get the answer softly. Means in what manner she speaks or she spoke, we get the answer softly. So softly is an adverb of manner. Next example, he plays the flute beautifully. In this example, beautifully is an adjective of manner because here when we ask the question to a verb, verb is plays. When we ask the question to a verb that how does he play the flute, we get the answer beautifully. So beautifully is an adverb of manner. Here the flute is the object. So here beautifully is the adverb of manner for a object. So next, she talks so fast that I can't follow him. In this example, fast is an adverb of manner because it modifies the verb talks or it describes the verb talks. Means how does she talk? We get the answer fast. Of course, fast is an adverb of manner. Now see the next example. He ate the chocolate cake greedily. Now in this example, greedily is a adverb of manner because when we ask the question, how did he eat the chocolate cake or in what manner did he eat the chocolate cake? So we get the answer greedily. So greedily is an adverb of manner. Now see the next example. They watched the football match carefully. Again, in this example, carefully is an adverb of manner because it describes the verb watched, or it modifies the verb watched. Or when we ask the question, how did they watch the football match? We get the answer carefully. So carefully is an adverb of manner. Now the next, the child slept soundly. Again, here also slept is a verb and the word soundly is an adverb of manner because when we ask the question, how did the child sleep or in what manner did the child sleep, we get the answer soundly. So soundly is an adverb of manner. Next, I did the exam badly. In this example, badly is an adverb of manner. Again, it modifies the verb did. So it is adverb of manner. Now next, she talks politely to her elders. Now here also politely is an adverb of manner. When we ask the question, how does she talk to her elders? We get the answer politely. So politely is an adverb of manner. Now you can see that here some words are adverb of manner where we add ly. So this is our today's concept, adverb of manner. Is the concept clear? Hope you have understood well. If you have any doubts, comment in comment box. And if you liked the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Keep watching. We'll meet in next video. Till then, goodbye and thank you.